Hello everyone. Today social subject 5th standard lesson 4 the atmosphere book back exercise. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. The atmosphere is divided into dash layers. Answer is 5. Second one, the carbon dioxide is dash in the atmosphere. Right answer is 0.03 percentage. Third one, the World Weather Day. Answer is March 23rd. Fourth one, the Indian Standard Meridian passes through the city of dash. Answer is Allahabad. Seventh one, the above picture shows the direction of dash. Answer is southwest monsoon rain. Next, fifth one, zone located in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is dash zone. Answer is torrid. Sixth one, dash is used to measure pressure in the air. Answer is barometer. Eighth one, monsoon is derived from the dash word. Answer is Arabian. Ninth one, vertical cloud is called dash. Answer is nimbus clouds. Tenth one, dash clouds give convectional rainfall. Answer is cumulus. 11th one, which of the following statement is or are statement 1? The instrument used to measure wind direction in wind vane. Statement 2, the speed of light travel faster than sound. Answer is statement 1 and 2. Next, true or false. First one, latitudes and longitudes are used to calculate time zone. Answer is true. Second one, latitudes and longitudes help us to locate a country. Answer is true. Third one, atmosphere gets heated by conduction that solar radiation. Answer is false. Fourth one, the main reason for the change of wind direction is Earth's rotation. Answer is true. Fifth one, cyclone moves in anti-clockwise direction. Right answer is true. Next, fill in the blanks. The study about the weather is called dash. Answer, meteorology. Second one, the instrument used to measure heat. Answer is thermometer. Third one, the imaginary lines drawn parallel to the surface of the earth is dash, latitude. Dash or rain clouds. Answer is nimbus clouds. Third Roman letter, match the following. Cirrus clouds. Answer is do not given rain. Second one, starus clouds. Answer is grey sheet. Third one, cumulus clouds. Answer is cotton. Fourth, nimbus clouds. Answer is storm cloud. Next, answer in following. What is weather? Weather is a day-to-day conditions of atmosphere at any place in regard to temperature, pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall. Second one, what are the atmospheric layers? Answer is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Third one, write a short note on the nimbus clouds. Answer is nimbus cloud appear as dark or grey in color. It gives heavy rainfall. Fourth one, illustrate orographic rainfall with a diagram. When the moisture-laden winds from the sea climb the hill slopes, it becomes cool and cause heavy rain. Next, answer in detail. Write about jet streams. Answer is air currents in the upper layer of atmosphere is known as streams. It could determine the arrival and dispatcher of monsoon winds in India. Second one, explain the types of winds. Planetary winds. These winds move in the same direction throughout the year with the rotation of the earth. Monsoon winds. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic name Masum, with means year season. Types of monsoon winds: southwest monsoon winds and northwest monsoon winds. Sea breeze: it blows from sea to land during the evening. Land breeze: it blows from land to sea in the morning. Local wind: it affects the weather. Local winds: warm local wind northwest India, cool local wind northeast India. Jet streams: air currents in the upper layer of atmosphere. Cyclone: hurricanes changes its position and direction with time to time. Next, third one, write about weather factory. Answer is when the clouds of positive and negative charge hit each other, lightning and thunder are produced. Light travels faster than sound, therefore, thunder follows lightning. When all the characteristics together active at the same time, it is called weather factory. Thank you, students. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.